So today we are back with a new topic called Jira workflow. So what exactly is a Jira workflow? So Jira workflow is a set of statuses and transitions that an issue goes through during its life cycle in a project. So what happens is life cycle of a project, so whenever the project is started, whenever the issue is started, it comes from to do when the developer picks up, it goes to in dev. If the developer fixes it, it comes to QA, in QA. If the QA verifies it and it's fixed, he will close it, and if it's not fixed, he will reopen it. So this is a life cycle. So what happens is a Jira workflow is a set of statuses and transitions that an issue goes through its life cycle. It defines the various stages or steps that an issue type, maybe user story, maybe bug, maybe task, moves through from creation to completion. Now I will show you practically how to create a new workflow. So this is our project. I'll go to project settings. First I will show you the existing workflow. So this is the bug in our project. Here I can see to do to in progress I can do, but from in progress also I can come to do. So these are 4 flat statuses which it doesn't work out like this. So I need to make it proper. So I will create a new workflow. So what I will do is I will go to project settings. In the project settings I will go to workflows. In the workflow, I need to create a new workflow. I'll go to add workflow, choose from marketplace. Here I'll go to workflows. I'll go to add workflow, create new. So here I will do is ecom project. I'm just keeping a name, random name, anything uncom. Ecom workflow. Ecom. I'll just keep Pulkit ecom workflow. So it is already existing. I'll just do is ecom workflow. So this workflow has created. Now we need to make the workflow here. So I'll just go here. I'll just move the open state here. Now I need to add the statuses. So once it's open, it will go to in progress. I'll just add one status in progress. Then I will add next status as when the dev is completed, they will move to in QA. Once in QA is done, they'll either move to reopen. If it's verified, they will move to, there is resolved also, which will come by developers, and once everything is verified, it's closed. Now I have added all the statuses where it is. Just by adding the statuses doesn't mean the workflow is completed. We have to link through all these statuses. So once it's open, from open it goes to in progress. I'll just put it here and I'll link it. Open to in progress, dev in progress. From in progress to resolved, there will be one more. From in progress to resolved, dev done. Once dev is done, it will come to in QA. It will be in QA. Once it comes to QA. Either it can be verified, so it can be closed, or if the bug is not fixed, it can move to reopen state. Not fixed. Once it's reopened, the developer can pick it again. So it can come to open state or reopened. Understood? So this is the workflow which we have done it. So now once this workflow is done, we need to publish this workflow to the architecture. So what we will go do is, we will just go to the workflow schemes, add workflow scheme. We'll just go to workflows, import from marketplace. So you will go to the project now. From project, we will go to project settings. Here we will go to workflows, add workflow, as we have created just now, ecom workflow. We'll go next. We will make it for bug. Finish. So I have linked this workflow to bug. Now we need to publish it. So it's published, not yet. Once it's published, it's showing that existing status of to do. What do you want to make it in new workflow? So new workflow to do will be open and done will be closed. Associate. It's done. We'll acknowledge it. Yep, the new workflow for the bug has been done. So now what we'll do is, we'll go to back to project, backlog. So we will see our bug. So our bug was EA2. So when this bug is come, EA2, here we can see the workflow. So from open, it will go to dev in progress. Once dev is done, it will move to dev done. Now it come to resolved. Now QA will pick it up in QA. If it's fixed, it will move to verified. If it's not fixed, they will reopen. So it's verified. It's closed. So now we have seen that each and every the workflow status and the transition from one state to another for a bug lifecycle or for a bug workflow. So hope this video was very simple and clear to understand how to create a workflow and how to associate a workflow for any issue type. I hope my videos are very simple and everybody is liking it. If yes, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.